Welcome back, everyone. In this tutorial, we're solving an interesting problem from Codeforces. Problem 1b, Spreadsheet. In this problem, we need to convert between two different formats of spreadsheet cell notation. One is the RxCY format, and the other is an Excel-like format that we're all familiar with. Let's break down the problem and work through the solution step by step. First, let's understand what each format looks like. 1. RxCY format. It's represented like R23C55. The number after R represents the row, and the number after C represents the column. 2. Excel-like format. In this format, you see something like BC23. The letters BC represent the column, and the number 23 is the row. The task is to convert from one format to the other. For example, input R23C55 should be converted to BC23. Input BC23 should be converted to R23C55. Now, the core of the problem is converting the Excel-like column letters into numbers and vice versa. The letters in the column represent a base 26 number system. Let's take a closer look at how this works. It's as changing from decimal, base 10, to binary, base 2, and vice versa, but we are working with base 26. In a base 26 system, A equals 1, B equals 2, Z equals 26. After Z, the next columns follow a pattern like AA equals 27, AB equals 28, and so on. Conversion process. If you have a column number like 55, to convert it to Excel letters, first, divide 55 by 26. The quotient determines the first letter, and the remainder gives the second letter. A remainder of 0 is handled by adjusting the quotient and setting the remainder to 26, corresponding to Zi. For example, 55 is converted to BC. The reverse process involves multiplying the values of the letters by increasing powers of 26 to convert them back into a number. Transition to code editor screen. Now that we've covered the base 26 conversion, let's walk through the code that handles both conversions. We'll be using regular expressions to detect whether the input is an RxCY format or Excel-like format, and based on that, we'll apply the appropriate conversion. 1. Imports and setup. We use Python's re module for pattern matching and the encode list to map numbers to letters. A equals 1, B equals 2, Z equals 26. Second, turn to Excel format function. This function converts RxCY format, like R23C55, into Excel-like format. The key part here is the base 26 conversion of the column number, where we divide by 26 to find the corresponding letters. We reverse the result at the end, since we generate the letters from right to left. Third, turn to RC format function. This function handles the reverse conversion. It takes Excel-like format, such as BC23, and converts it into RxCY format. We use the base 26 system in reverse to calculate the column number. Fourth, main loop. In the main part of the program, we read the input to determine the format. Using regular expressions, we check if the input matches RxCY format or Excel-like format. Depending on the match, we call the appropriate function to handle the conversion. And that's it. We've successfully tackled this problem by converting between two spreadsheet formats using base 26 arithmetic. The code will be available in the comments section below, so feel free to try it out yourself. I hope this explanation has helped clarify how these conversions work and how to implement them efficiently in Python. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more coding tutorials.